Hi there, how are you today? I hope that in this day you are so okay. Well, I'll introduce myself. I'm Diego Zapata Medina. I study in the UTR, Universidad Tecnológica El Retoño. I study mechatronics and I made a analog electronics project security alarm. Well, I'm going to introduce you and explain to you what the security alarm consists of. In this case, we have a 12 DC voltage. In this case, we have a fixed source in the Proteus software. This is the fixed source, and we have a push button. The push button is normally closed. This will let the current pass, but when the alarm is activate, it will serve to turn off the alarm, to restart the process of the alarm, of the alarm function. And here we have the potentiometer. The potentiometer which will help us to regulate the positive voltage. And here we have the LDR, the photoresistance. The LDR means in English means light depending of the resistors. It is a resistive element that depending of the light, when it is illuminated, its resistance is very low, which allows the process of the negative current. When the light doesn't illuminate the LDR, it blocks the flow of the current. What more? We have a transistor, an NPN transistor. So for this to work, it needs a positive pulse that pass fouch its base. It is the base, and since the LDR is letting a negative pulse pass when there is a low resistance, and when the LDR has a high resistance, that on the part of the positive part be high, this will activate the transistor. We have a relay. The relay which we have a relay which when the current is allowed, the pass activates a small coil. This is the coil of the relay that is inside in the relay, making the pin that is normally closed. This is the pin that is normally closed. Passes to the pin that is normally open. When it goes to the normally open, it will allow the current passage to both the LED and the buzzer. Here we have a diode. The diode in this case will prevent the positive current from the pin 1. This is the pin 1 of the relay, so that when the alarm is on, it doesn't active independently. It helped a lot because the positive current pass for this, and when pass in this side, the diode block the current, and that's amazing. Well, I play the circuit. Wait a minute. When the light is far from the LDR, the buzzer is activated. This is the buzzer, and the buzzer will be sound. Also, the LED is turned on if you watch. If you watch, in this case, the coil active the pin to the normally close. I stop this. And this is a function of the system alarm, the circuit of the security alarm. Then we will see in the physical in the prototype.
Well, in this moment, I'm going to show you the prototype. This is the prototype. It's in the proto board. We have in this case a battery with 12 DC voltage. And you can see that this is the photoresistor, and this is the light. When a light points the photoresist allows the negative current to pass through, blocking the positive current for the transistor. This is the transistor. When it's removed and the light blocked, the photoresist will not allow the negative current to pass, thus leaving the positive current to pass through the transistor and the LED and the buzzer to light up. When a thief enters, the light targeting the photoresist will be blocked, allowing the passage of the voltage, and with the buzzer will sound. You have to reset the alarm with the push button and then disconnect the alligator clip. You have to put this and do that. And this is all. Thank for watching the video.